Hello nation, thanks for logging on to Plester.net and clicking on the weather. I'm your Penn State meteorologist Matt Alto, and we've got plenty to talk about all across our nation. Let's begin into the Northeast, where we've got high pressure in control, and it's going to bring yet another nice day into portions of Pennsylvania and the New England coast. But taking a look just to our south, we've got a low pressure system associated down here, and it'll bring some rain into portions of the Carolinas, thunderstorms into Georgia and Florida. But behind the storm system, things will be drying out. We will see nice sunny skies into Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi. You will get in on that mix, as well as the upper mid-plains where dry conditions will prevail. But just to the south here, we will see thunderstorms associated with this low pressure system into portions of Colorado, Nebraska, and Wyoming. Taking it off into the Pacific Northwest, we will have a low pressure system making its way on shore, bringing rain to most of the lower elevations, and even those higher elevations could be seeing some snow. But look at this, in the desert Southwest, we've got warm conditions, sunny skies, and some of those locations are going to reach 90 degrees for today for highs. We'll see 88 degrees here in Phoenix, 69 in Denver, 73 in Billings. Taking it off into the East Pacific coast, temperatures will be on the cooler side behind this storm system. We'll see 56 degrees in the Bay Area. Some locations into the 40s and 30s into those higher elevations. The Midwest will be soaring into the 70s all across the Midwest here. 75 in Dallas is your high today, 76 in New Orleans, 68 in Atlanta, where that rain will be keeping things on the cool side, 82 degrees in Miami, and 69 for our nation's capital, as well as the Big Apple. As we move into tomorrow, that low pressure system into the southeast will be riding its way up the coast, and we've got a cold front pushing its way out of Canada, and it will provide some wet weather here across Pennsylvania, into the D.C. metro area. New York, you will be wet too. Into Florida, parts of Florida, into southern Florida, you will be seeing some of those thunderstorms as the day progresses, but those will start to die off as the day moves on. It will be dry into the rest of the southeast, where we will see some nice weather here all across this region. As same thing with Texas, we'll see sunny skies in the southern portions of the state, but northern portions and into Oklahoma, we will see some thunderstorms into this region. And that cold front, which will be making its way onto shore today, will continue to move its way across the Rocky Mountains, bringing rain to much of the west, snow into those higher elevations, and yes, we could see the chance for thunderstorms into Southern California. And things will be definitely cooling off here into the desert Southwest, where today we could reach 90 degrees. For tomorrow, we could struggle to reach even 70, 67 degrees here in Phoenix, 65 in Denver, 73 is your high tomorrow in Billings. And off into the Pacific coast, things are definitely cooler. We can see even some 32-degree readings here, 30s and 40s all across the western seaboard. Moving into the plains, temperatures will be once again on the warm side here. 81 degrees your high in Dallas. Same thing with New Orleans and Miami. 60 degrees into Chicago. Another nice day for the Great Lakes states. And that rain will definitely be keeping things on the cool side in portions of Washington, D.C. and New York, where we will be getting 69 degrees in the Big Apple. Thanks for logging on to Plester.net and clicking on weather. I'm your Penn State meteorologist Matt Alto. Enjoy that weather, and I will see you next week.